Please make sure you watch this whole video so you know exactly how to actually turn in your essay. This is how you will be turning in your final essay on this system. So yes, you will submit your essay document in Essay Organizer on Schoology, and yes, you will submit that essay check form. Remember, that's that Google form. But this is how you turn in your final essay. So the first thing you're going to do is, after you've made an account, and account instructions are on Schoology. There's a presentation with all the codes and everything that you need. So use that carefully to create an account. Then you are going to, whenever you go to submit it, remember it's due Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. So what you will do is you will first obviously log in. So remember, you will be using your school email and your school password that you set when you made your account. Remember, you put in your password, so I hope you put it in correctly. I'm using my personal email here just because I made a kind of like fake student account with my personal email because my teacher email is being used for my teacher account. So you will log in. You'll only have one class listed. I know I have 3, but some of these are expired from last year. So first, you will click on the name of the course. So it will say Honors Comm 9, and it will say either 1st, 3rd, 4th, or 7th hour. You'll see there's only one thing here, character essay. You're going to click this blue button that says Submit. Make sure that you are in single file upload. You do not want to be cut and paste. You want to be single file. And your submission title really doesn't matter. Maybe essay, character essay, whatever you want. And then you're going to click Choose from Google Drive. And then here you will log on to get your Google Drive. So you might have to follow some steps here. It might ask you, does Turnitin have permission? If so, click Allow. And then you will find your document. So I'll go to Documents. As you can see, I have tons of things from all you guys doing stuff too, but you can search it. Find the one that says Essay Document, find your character essay, click it, select it, and then this is the part that people often mess up on. So you click Upload. Then you just have to wait a little bit. You're not done. A lot of people click Upload and then X out and think it's uploaded. Even now, it says, please confirm that this is the file you would like to submit. I'm still not done yet. I am not done until I click Confirm. So once I click Confirm, now it is submitted. So it says, congratulations, your submission is complete. You will be sent an email, so check your school email. So if you're nervous if it didn't submit or not, just check your email, and then you can go back to the assignment list. And now you can see, look, you can't click Submit. It says the submission has already been made. You could view it, but now you're done. So once you've done that, you've submitted your essay. It will also tell you what the similarity report is right here. So mine was 0% plagiarized. Yours are probably going to be like 40 or 50. Don't panic. It's just because think of all the sentences I gave you that were fill in the blank, or think of everything we wrote together. So don't panic, but yeah, that's how you do it. Let me know if you have questions. Make sure you submit this on Turnitin.com too. If you do not submit this on Turnitin.com, your officially, like, your final essay is not turned in. All right, have a great week and email me if you have any questions.